4.4 Story time. What do you see? Listen, repeat and enact. This is a story from Mahabharata. Arjun, the prince, his brothers and cousins were being trained in archery and warcraft by the great teacher Dronacharya. Once Dronacharya called all his students. He said, I would like to see how you are practicing your archery skills. I will take a test. So, Dronacharya called all the students together. He placed a wooden parrot on a branch of tree. He said, now all of you get ready with your bow and arrow for the test. Look at the wooden bird on the branch of the tree. You have to hit exactly its eye. All his students were excited. They stood in a line for the test. First came Bhim. He stretched his bow and set his arrow. As he was about to shoot the wooden bird's eye, Dronacharya said, Wait Bhim, tell me, what do you see? Bhim replied, Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds and the sun. Dronacharya said, Bhim, you will not shoot the wooden bird right now. Then came Yudhishthir. Dronacharya asked him the same question. Tell me, what do you see? Yudhishthir replied, Guruji, I see the wooden bird, the branches and the tree too. No, said Dronacharya. You are not ready to shoot yet. All the students were asked the same question. And they all told about many things they saw around. They told that they could see the sky, the clouds, the sun, the tree, the branch, the wooden bird and their friends too. But Dronacharya was not happy with their answers. He stopped everyone. Nobody got a chance to shoot the wooden bird. Finally, it was Arjun's turn. Arjun was very good at archery. When he came forward, Dronacharya asked him the same question. What do you see, Arjun? Arjun looked at the wooden bird and focusing on its eye. He replied, Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. What else do you see? Asked Dronacharya. Nothing else but the eye of the wooden bird. That is all I can see, replied Arjun. Shoot, said Dronacharya. Happily, and Arjun shot the arrow. It hit the wooden bird's eye exactly. The wooden bird fell down. Dronacharya patted on Arjun's back and said, Focusing on your goal helps you to achieve it. Look and say, Prince, archery, test, gathered, wooden, bow, arrow, exactly, shoot, goal.